How to check memories on Snapchat. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open Snapchat on your device. As soon as you open it, just go ahead and click on the gallery icon on the left hand side. Then you can see your memories. So you can just go ahead and click on home and scroll down, and you can check out all of the memories which you have. To check out a particular memory, just go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, the memory can be seen, it can be edited, it can be exported, and a lot of things. So I'm going to teach this process to you once again. First of all, open Snapchat and click on the gallery view on the left corner. Then go to home. After you go to home, you can see all of your memories. You can just go ahead and tap on the memory you want to share. Just go ahead and do this. Click on the three dots and you can export this as well. So go ahead and do this. Go ahead and swipe and click download to download it and save it on your gallery. So guys, this is how easy it is to check out your memories on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.